The Kasa Video Doorbell KD110 offers a high-definition experience with its 2000-pixel resolution, ensuring every detail is captured clearly. This doorbell enhances security by providing instant notifications and a modular chime system to alert you whenever someone approaches. With two-way audio, it allows you to communicate with visitors at your door, even when you are not home. The device is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, making it easy to integrate into your smart home ecosystem. Its weatherproof design ensures reliable operation in both rain and shine, while the infrared sensor enables night vision up to 30 feet. The KD110 supports both cloud and local storage options, offering flexibility in how you save and access your footage.